Hi guys, today we're going to show you a beneficial hair oil that helps stimulate hair growth and nourishes the scalp, leaving it nice and shiny and dandruff free. It's good to apply and is good for a nice head massage with really good ingredients. So let's begin with how to prepare this. You need a bottle like this with a pointed top at the top, or you can use a spray bottle, it's up to you. You'll need a funnel to pour the oil into the bottle with. You'll need a half a cup measurement, a quarter cup measurement, and a 1 tablespoon measurement. So we'll be using half a cup of 100% pure coconut oil. Coconut oil keeps scalp healthy, fighting against insect bites, lice and dandruff, adds lustrous shine and softness to the hair and strengthens the hair. It cures split ends and breakage. Put your oil in the bottle. This coconut oil also contributes to hair growth and increases hair length. We'll be using half a cup of mustard oil. Mustard oil stimulates hair growth. It's packed with vitamins such as iron and fatty acids and calcium and magnesium. All these vitamins in the mustard oil promote hair growth. We're using a quarter cup of pure 100% pure olive oil. Olive oil moisturizes the exfoliated layer of the skin. It helps prevent and get rid of dandruff and makes your hair grow longer. Next, we're going to use a quarter cup of almond oil. Almond oil contains all sorts of good vitamins for hair, such as omega-3 fatty acids, phospholipids, vitamin E and magnesium. It nourishes and strengthens hair, treats hair loss and damaged hair. It adds silkiness and shine to your hair and nourishes the scalp. Next, we're using 1 tablespoon of castor oil. We're using less of this because it's thicker. This contains omega-6 essential fatty acids, which accelerates blood circulation in the scalp, hence increasing hair growth. It works on nourishing the scalp and strengthening the roots with the essential nutrients it has in it. We will also be adding 2 thin slices of ginger. Ginger has many benefits for the scalp. Then you're going to close it and give it a good shake first. Then leave in the sunlight for 3 to 4 hours so the oil is properly mixed together and all the nutrients is released. If you don't have any sunlight in your country, leave it for 24 hours at the windowsill or someplace warm. When applying to the scalp, make sure you place the oil onto the roots and massage your head so the blood is circulated in the scalp so the oil works properly. When you massage the oil in the scalp, it increases blood flow, so it helps the hair with hair growth. Therefore, your roots are strong, keeping your hair strong. So be inspired, try new things and conquer amazing skills, and hopefully this came in handy to you. Don't forget to like and subscribe and comment down below and check out our other videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.